Acculturation is a process through which a person or group from one culture comes to adopt the practices and values of another culture. While still retaining their own distinct culture. Most commonly discussed regarding a minority culture adopting elements of the majority culture, the case with immigrant groups that are culturally or ethnically distinct from the majority in the place to which they have immigrated. This is a two-way process. Those within the majority culture often adopt elements of the minority cultures with which they have come into contact. The process plays out between the groups where neither is necessarily a majority or a minority. It can happen at both group and individual levels. It can occur as a result of in-person contact or contact through art, literature, or other media. Acculturation is not the same process as that of assimilation, though some people use the words interchangeably. Assimilation can be an eventual outcome of acculturation process and have come a number of outcomes, including rejection, marginalization, integration, transmutation. Acculturation is a process of cultural contact and exchange. A person or groups come to adopt certain values and practices of a culture that is not originally their own to a greater or lesser extent. The original culture of the person or group remains. It is changed by this process. When the process is at its most extreme, assimilation occurs wherein the original culture is wholly abandoned and the new culture adopted in its place. Other outcomes can also occur that fall along the spectrum from minor change to total change, separation, integration, marginalization, and transmutation.